Hello folks, it's Clinton Moss here with Gunner Energy Services. And you know, every single time I say I think I've got a cool case study, but man, this one here is really neat as well. Maybe this is the coolest one so far. I implore you, take a second, take a break, and watch the coolest directional drilling ranging video that you might ever see in your life. So folks, in this case, Gunner was called out through our brothers and sisters at CUD Pressure Control, okay? CUD, as you know, have a coiled tubing ranging while drilling system that Gunner participates in and assists with that on location, okay? So what can we use that for? We can drill horizontal wells, and we can embed in that coiled tubing drilling system a number of different ranging techniques. So we have passive magnetic ranging, and active injection ranging, and as well as rotary magnets. So we can have all different systems embedded in here. Now, in this particular case, the customer was engaged in what we call solution mining. And what they want is one horizontal well that gets very close or is otherwise connected to a series of vertical wells. You can see it here now behind me, illustrated exactly to the spec of the actual job that we're talking about here. So folks, we have these 5 wells all in a row, and we're going to drill down and range to intersect each one of these wells, a direct intersect, one after the next, so that when they pump fluid down there and this mineral comes into solution, they can suck it back out and use that product that they've recovered. That's the whole theory, the reason behind solution mining. So let me take it through you here now, folks, and let me describe what we did here. In this case, in each one of these verticals that you see behind me, we have access. So what we did is lower a probe down there, and that probe was part of our torpid at-bit ranging system. So that was the receiver in the target well. Now, in the horizontal well that you can see, we have the spinning rare earth magnet between the bit and the bit box of the coiled tubing ranging while drilling assembly. So we drill down now, we're headed east-west, and for all of you survey geeks, you know it's problematic when you're directional drilling horizontally east-west. So we're suffering our maximum errors as we drill. However, you can see that we intercept the very first well directly. It was not out of position from where we expected it. Now, as soon as we directly intersect the first well, right, a pass-by right through it, as soon as we did that first pass-by and started ranging to the second vertical, okay, we could see that it was misplaced. So we could have steered aggressively to intersect the second target, but that would have introduced a big dogleg at the beginning of, at the heel of our horizontal well here, and then we would have had tortuosity issues going forward. So, smart thinking from the customer. We decided to just bypass number 1, or the second well, so as not to create that big dogleg, and went on then to directly intercept number 3, directly intercept number 4, and directly intercept number 5. When I say that, I mean a Boolean operation, one well cutting through the other and verified with instantaneous hydraulic communication. So now we have number 1, 3, 4, and 5 all connected with a nice suent path. We pull back, as you can see here now in the actual data that's being visualized here, pull back, do a sidetrack to intercept number 2, and now folks, all 5 wells are hooked up. They're all hydraulically communicating with one another, and the customer can proceed with the extraction of the resource. So folks, for all your solution mining and direct intercept needs, one call does it all. Call Gunner Energy Services, and thank you all for watching.